Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, I do everything from workout videos, hair care videos, skincare, and makeup videos, and school-related videos. Today is going to be a school-related video. I'm going to be getting ready for the spring semester. I feel like this break went by so fast, and I didn't realize that this weekend is my last weekend until school starts, so yeah, we gotta get on that. And before we get into all of this, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They'll be posted on the screen right now. And also subscribe to my channel right down there. I think it's this way or it's this way. I don't know. Subscribe and put on my post notifications. And also one more thing, give this video a like. And I love making lists, so I made a list of everything I have to do before school starts. Let's get into it. Clean my desk area. As you can see, I cannot do any work in that desk area over there. Yeah, this is kind of embarrassing. So we did laundry today, so there's all these new clean clothes here. Then I also filmed a video about like thrifting and stuff, so that's all over there. If you want to see that video, it will be posted before this. It will be in a card right up there. Let's get cleaning. It's the next day. Now my desk area is nice and clean, and we have to figure out the schedule for next year. I already registered for classes, but I just need to make sure what time I need to be in class. Okay, so I'm in my school's student portal thing. It's called Bison Web for Howard, and I have my calendar. This is for February. My January calendar is like really crammed, so I don't even think I'm gonna put school stuff on that. I'm going to go to student services and then going to go to student details. Here is a little bit of my schedule. Now we gotta write them down in this calendar, write down what day, what time every class is. For classes, I like to be as organized as possible, and so I use color coding for every single one of my classes to make sure that all my assignments are in my calendar. I don't miss a due date. Okay, so the first class I have is persuasive writing. So here's my schedule so far. I thought I was going to have like an off day in the middle of the week, but I do not. I'm kind of booked up all the way till Friday. But here we are. We have 3 classes every day, and it's not too bad, but I feel like my schedule last semester was a lot more spread out because we did have a class on Saturday and we had a class on Friday. Okay, now to go along with all the cleaning that we are doing in this video, time to clean out my computer because I can't start the new semester off with a whole bunch of stuff that I don't need on my computer and then run out of storage. And so it's just good to do a good clean out. Whenever I clean my computer, I like to go straight into the Finder and go into my downloads. This is where all of the random screenshots and pictures I download off the internet for videos, or I download PDFs for class that I don't need anymore. I can just go, it usually goes right here, and I can delete all of them at the same time. Now that I deleted all the files that I don't need, now to organize all the files that I do need. I don't really like to have them just like in the downloads folder, just like hanging out. I like to create folders so everything is organized. So underneath my bed, I have all my school supplies, and I need to clean out these notebooks. so they can be ready to take on the notes for the next semester. I like to save some of the notes that I know that will be important in the future, and so I try to keep them in files and folders but still use the notebooks for school. So let's get into all of that. And now that everything is cleaned out, all the trash is over here. Well, that's not trash. Trash is over here, and all the way up there, we can put everything back in here. And now the store is nice and neat. Now for the final part of this video, since I'm going to be on Zoom for another 3-4 months, I decided I needed a good setup for Zoom. So I have my microphone, I have my computer, and I'm going to see and try to set it up all nicely. Okay, so I think I made the perfect setup for my Zoom. I have my computer slanted on an angle because I am right-handed, and whenever I write, I like to lean a little bit on my shoulder and have my entire arm on the table, so I have a lot of room for my right side. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this laid-back vlog of getting ready for the spring semester of college at Howard University. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a like. And also, if you want to see more from me, I post every Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can subscribe to my channel down below, and also click that post notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, they'll be on the screen right now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!